everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can create an account on your Steam. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like video, subscribe our channel, and yeah, we will simply just dive into our video now. So if you have a Steam app and if you tap in your app, then you will see that in this particular interface you only have an option called sign in. There is no option called create an account. So what you will have to do is go to your phone browser, then you will simply tap in this sign in Steam community, tap in that option, and here this particular interface will again open up. Then you will tap on this open browser option given above, tap on it, and here you can see this join Steam option. Simply tap on that, and then you will see again the particular link above. Simply tap on that again. Then you will have this interface open up where you will simply add in your email address. Then you will confirm your address again, and you will simply again to confirm it, simply tap on this option called continue, and this you will have to verify your email. You will simply just go to your email inbox, and as you can see in my inbox there is an email from Steam. Simply open here. You can simply tap on this verify my email address option, and again tap on this link above. Here you can see email verifies. Please return to the account creation windows to complete creating your new Steam account. You may safely close the window. So I'll just go back, and now this particular interface will be there once I confirm my email address. Then I will simply add in my name. I will simply just choose a password. Then you will again reconfirm your password and simply tap on this option called done. And yes, once you choose an available name over there as well, then you will simply tap on this done option, and now you can see I created my account. So yeah, this is how you can simply create your Steam account on your mobile phone. I hope this video was helpful to you guys, and yeah, thank you so much for watching our video till the end. I'll see you guys next time.